So in a few seconds, let me show you how I transformed this image to this with my smartphone. So if your client sends you a blurry picture, you don't have to worry about enhancing the picture and all that. Let me show you how you can enhance your picture from this to this before using it for your design. So if you are new to this page, I will plead with you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you're already an old subscriber, do well to like, comment, and follow for more. So now let's get started. The first thing you have to do is go over to your Rimini app. So this is how the app looks like. You can download it from Google Play Store. Now we have to select the image you want to enhance, which is this. So go ahead and click on the image. So once you click on the image, you click on enhance. Then let's wait for it to enhance. So this is the image. You can see the before and you can see the after. So these stuffs beneath here, you can just leave them like that, or you can still adjust them to your taste, but I just prefer leaving them like this. Then go ahead and click on save. So click on this download here, and that is it. So the next thing you have to do here is you come over to your Lightroom. So it's either you use Lightroom or you use Snapseed. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using Lightroom. So open your Lightroom app. So if you open your Lightroom app, you come over to that picture you just enhanced on Rimini. So scroll up like this until you see Rimini. So this is Rimini here. You click on this and then you click on add. So one picture added, just open it like this. So this is the picture. Now this is where you'll be doing the retouching. So you come over to this, come over to detail, increase it. Don't do it too much, don't overdo it. Just increase your amount. Just be careful when you are doing this. Don't increase it too much. So come over here, come over to radius and then decrease it like this. Just be applying this effect with sense. So come over to texture, increase it a little bit, not too much. Come over to clarity. You can decide to increase this, but not too much. You can see the effect on the face, so you can just reduce it. So there's no default settings for this. Just tune it, go to texture, go to detail, sharpening, structure, and all that. So just be tuning them until you get your perfect result. You can even add grain. Come over to grain, increase it, stuff like this, then reduce the size. Come over to effects, texture, leave it like this. Then come over to detail, amount, you can reduce it a little bit. Then your detail, you can also reduce it. Don't overdo it. So that is it. Then you can still come over to light. This is contrasts. As you can see the effect. So once you reduce, this is what you get. Then this is what you get. Then maybe come over to it's oversaturated. You can reduce it. You can come to highlights, reduce it. Stuff like this. You can see the effect on the hair. You can see it. So you can choose to darken the hair more. Then you can just reduce it like this. Then come over to whites. You can see the effect. So you can choose to reduce it like this. Then come over to black. You can also choose to reduce or increase it. So this is it. You can still come over to color. Come over to mix, then select yellow. You can see you can reduce the saturation of the yellow, the luminance. Just play around with all these stuffs. That's how you get the perfect. So you can just come over to orange color. This is the saturation. You can increase or reduce. So just play around with it. You can see the effect. Just play around with all these stuffs. But the main thing here is just to sharpen the image and all that. So once you are done, you can long press it to see the before and the after. So once you are done with your editing, you can come over to this share button here. Don't click on this save copy to device. You can click on export as, then change this to JPG, then this to largest available dimension, quality 100. You can choose to add watermark or you can remove the watermark. Then you click on this check mark and that is it. So in case you want to remove the background of this particular image you just edited, you can come over to your Lightroom app. That is if you want to remove the background. You come over to your photo room app, then click on start from photo. Then you can select your photo, select it, and photo room will do the magic. So this is it. You can click on transparent, then you can click on export. Then after that, come over to your Pixel Lab and do your design. So if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one.